fraction, no? What is 1/2? Is it proper or improper? What is 3/4? And then you do the opposite of that, 4/3, and then 2/1. What are those fractions, no? Then these are but simple as a review, part of our synthetic division lesson. Okay, 18 lang ang reply. Okay. Pag hindi nag-e-engage, no, baka ma-absenan ko. Okay, let's see. What is the correct answer for that, class? Proper fraction may result to a mixed number, not improper. Okay, 1/2 is a proper fraction. Tama, ano? So
Sir,
this statement is, hello?
where will we submit our answers po?
Okay. Hindi nyo ba na gets yung po ay yung sabi ko sa class point, PowerPoint? Okay, sabi ko, you go into your
Sir,
browser,
there's
classpoint.app.
there's no ano po kasi
Ah,
text box for the answer.
that's a short answer kasi wala ba? Okay, let's wait lang po ha. Okay, hold on. I think I have not pressed it yet. Oh, sorry. Okay, again. Let's have this one. Sorry. Oops. Pala dapat. Okay, sorry. Do you view it now, Anna Faith? Thank you, Anna Faith. Type 14005. Na-view niyo na ba? Okay, sige. Mag-reply na kayo. Statement 2. It's just but the opposite, no? Okay. Mag-iba tayo ng code. Okay, code will be 14. Wait. No, it's 39266 for the second statement. 39266. Okay, let's answer this. Ulitin natin. Okay, let's start. Okay. You might be wondering why we are reviewing this one. Okay, it's simple, but mind you, when you were in your college, baka makalimutan nyo to. Okay, 25, 24 seconds. Actually, those terms, if you find them actually forgetful, you forgot about them, just write fractions, simple lang, no? Yung sinabi ko kanina, 1/2, 3/4, 4/3. Okay. So your answers were, okay, let's see. It's true, true, false, true, true. Okay. Okay. So Sean Santos, he says it's true. Alain, Trial is false. Alana is true. Paulina, Jared, it's true. Okay, sige. The answer actually is number one. It's false. This is false, of course, no? Number two, it's true. Okay. Ano ba yung proper fraction? Ang proper fraction kasi ay 1/2, no? When numerator is less than your denominator. 1/3 is a proper fraction. So this will never be result, no? Will never result into mixed number. And then number two, improper fraction. When we say improper fraction, when your numerator is higher than your denominator. Example, it's 4/3. 3/4 is proper, no? When you say 4/3, try to divide that, no? Kakaroon ka ng mixed number. Because 4/3 is, what's the mixed number of 4/3? It is but 1 and 1/3. Tama ba si Romel? 4/3 is 1 and 1/3. Okay? Okay, sige. Let's go back to the lesson. Okay, when we are to actually study this synthetic division, it is close to operating whole numbers, no? So it's that fraction improper. Hindi siya dapat proper, ha? Okay, like this one, it's 1/23/2 is improper. Okay. And then we recall how we divide this one. Okay, when we divide, of course, we divide first the first digit, no? It's 1/2. It's proper. So yeah, it's really difficult to divide 1/2, no? So and then we uh join them together now, or we'll increase the digit. It's 1 and 2. It's 12. 12/2 is 6. And when we say it's 6 times, it's 12. And then this is 0, no? This is subtracted. 12 minus 12. And then bring down 3. Can you recall this? And then 3/2 or 3 divided by 2 gives you 1, no? Okay, sulat po kayo. 3 divided by 2 gives you 1, but of course there is a remainder. And then we say it's 1 times 2, it's 2. Then 3 minus 2, it's 1. Naalala niyo ba ito? And then your math teacher, when you were in elementary, will say remainder 2. It's not just 61, but there is but a remainder 2. Did you get it? No? Okay. Specifically, remainder is 1, no? But try to have this, no? 61 remainder 1 is really hard to be able to figure out, no? But when you write it this way, 61 and 1/2, it's a mixed number. So you see this one, no? 1/23/2, 1/23. Sulat po kayo, no? O kaya ganyan. 1/23/2 is an improper and can be written as 61 and 1/2, no? Okay, 61 and 1/2. Kasi kung 61 remainder 1, hindi mo siya maintindihan. What is remainder 1? Okay, but when you actually show this one to a more complete number, it is but 61 and 1/2, no? Yung remainder yan, it's 1. That's the numerator, and 2 here is coming from your divisor. So again, 1, 2, 3 is a dividend over your divisor. 2 will give you the quotient 61 remainder 1, or 61 and 1 half. No? That is why if you do have this mixed number, you can convert that again into an improper fraction. And then we say it's 2 times 61, it's 122. Plus 1, here it's 123. But it's over 2. No? Okay, from here, the denominator of the improper, because the next number is, by the way, a combination of a proper and a whole number. Okay? Naalala niyo pa ba yan? Okay, okay din yun naalala, ha, class? Naintindihan? Okay, sige, let's go. Kung naintindihan niyo yan, let's go to synthetic division now, no? Okay, before we go to the synthetic division, I'd like you to be actually, sige, para hindi tayo boring, no? It's 1:51 na. Let's have another engaging activity. Synthetic. Okay, word cloud. Ewan ko kung nag-centimeter na kayo noon. I think it's si Ma'am Ira. I've seen Ma'am Ira, no? Using this centimeter about the word cloud. Okay, tingnan natin. What is synthetic to you, no? Okay. Some of you might be actually exploring the internet. Okay, let's check. Cloud 9. Okay, palitan, sandali lang class. Palitan natin. Okay, palitan natin yung code. Okay, let's have 44926. I want you not real. Okay, so sige, let's process the word synthetic. Okay, so from our colloquial or our ang tawag nito, layman's term, no? It's synthetic, it's fake, it's not real, it's not authentic, it's not original, sabi nga dyan. Yes, really, no? That's why they use this one, Ruffini, Paolo Ruffini, because it's not, as if it's not real, but it can help us uh, solve, no, the division when it concerns the division of polynomials, really, no? Okay, let's go. And then last time, tingnan natin to. Polynomial is represented by this expression, no? And the other books as well, okay, represent this, no? They do not want those A subscript n minus 1, but they want those constants represented by A, B, C, D, the letters na lang, no? Constants A, B, C, D, E, F, might as well, no? Like the quadratic, no? AX squared plus BX plus C. Yun yung quadratic yun, no? Last year. Okay. Kuha. Okay. And then, that is why it is easier to be actually determining, no? What are the constants of those if that is represented by a polynomial, and then we use that in the synthetic division, no? Ito yung synthetic division kasi, no? We use this, it's like a half box, no? And then a line. And then this one, we need the constants of the polynomial, no? If this is your polynomial, then I need to have the constants of those arranged in this way, no? Alphabetically, it's A, B, C, D, up to F. Okay? But I'm making sure that in my synthetic division, sa synthetic division tayo, no? My terms are arranged in such a way that my exponents are arranged, no? From highest to lowest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If this is jumbled, this is shuffled, what do you call this? The terms there are, what do you call it? Not arranged, no? You have to arrange it, no? Before you can use the synthetic division. Did you get me? Ito po yan, no? Yan siya. And then, also, we can only use synthetic division if the divisor, okay, of that dividend, the polynomial is your dividend, no? We can only use this if the divisor is a linear. Bakit siya linear? X minus A. Because x is raised to 1. Remember that if it's raised to 1, it is but linear, no? During your grade 8, if you encounter this already, x minus A. Okay, such as expressions like x plus 1, x minus 2, x minus 5. Okay. Variable there is raised to 1. That's linear, no? Okay, and then we read again. Sige, tignan natin. Ang hina ng computer ko. Okay, can you read the synthetic division now? The full line of the synthetic division? Rafael, sa textbook. What is synthetic division per your textbook? Rafael Robles. And then there is but insertions that we're going to be actually doing with constant here in the synthetic division. Naintindihan? Okay, ulitin ko lang po, no? So this is your synthetic division now. This one now is your synthetic division, no? Okay, ano kaya ang ginagawa ng linear doon? Tingnan natin, okay? This is the given. This is your dividend. This is your divisor, no? Polynomial seems longer and then divided by your polynomial, no? A linear. Okay, tingnan natin sa synthetic division. I'm going to get the 3, negative 11, the constants of this polynomial, no? So I write it here. And then this box here, why is it 5? Because of this expression, no? X minus A. Okay, that is given the divisor, no? Notice that if this is written, no? Parallel to X minus A, what is the value of your A? Okay, that's why this is your A, ne? Ito ay A, no? That is A actually, no? That is your A. Okay, that A, hindi yan hinuhulaan, ha? It's coming from this X minus 5. Okay, X minus 5. This is a minus, ha? Minus 5. So what's the value of your A? It is positive 5, not negative 5, ha? Okay. Nakuha. Okay, but what if the divisor is x plus 5? Okay, that's the time, no? That is x plus 5. Okay. So we will not going to be actually, ayan. Mangyayari dyan, it's a minus because it's x minus a. And then, a parenthesis negative 5. Okay? Okay. For this one, itin ko lang ito, no? Kasi baka malito kayo sa susunod. So if you see x plus 5, it means to say, okay, that your value for your, okay, if you see this one, no? Because at the moment you are seeing x minus 5, no? Okay, pattern it from here. So your A, it's a 5 positive. What's sir if the divisor is x plus 5? Pattern it again for x minus A, no? So therefore, your A here in x plus 5 is a negative 5, no? Why? Because this is our linear uh, condition, no? Okay, our divisor must be x minus A in the form of x minus A. Okay, so this one is x minus a negative 5. So yung A dito, ang value niya ay negative 5. Hindi siya 5 lang. Okay? Okay, ito yun. Yun yung kaibahan nila. Okay? Remember that. Okay, screenshot nyo na lang yan. Okay, so we're not dealing with this one, huh? That will be in the future. Might be if we have x plus 5. Oh, okay, let's go now here to synthetic, no? How will this work? Okay. So, ang gagawin yung sa mga tamad, no? Okay, magbasa, ayaw mag-view or manood ng video. The first step is like this, no? A is to be brought down, no? Okay, bring down A, okay? First constant should be brought down. It's 3. And then, what happens to 3? Remember, this is pattern, huh? Okay, sige. Bring down 3. Hindi bring down 6. Bring down negative 6. Negative. Maibigan, hindi, no? It is a systemic, no? There's system. Bring down 3. And then 3 multiplied by your 5, no? Value of A. In this case, it's 5 from x minus 5. And then 3 times 5, it's 15. You write it here. Hindi dito, no? Not there. It must be 3 times 5. Hindi 3 times 5, ha? Because the first step is bringing 3 down. Then that 3 must be multiplied by 5. 3 times 5, it's 15. And then we add this, no? The 2. Okay? Wala tayong time. And then, when we add negative 11 plus 15, it's, of course, it's 4, no? And then multiply it again. Okay? So in here, the process is adding. In here, it's bringing down. That's the first step. And 4 times 5 is the same as 3 times 5, no? 4 times 5, it's 20. And then 20 or negative 18 plus 20, it's 2. Okay, you're adding it again. No? You're adding this again. And then 2 times 5, this one, and this one. Okay, do not cut the pattern or the flow. 2 times 5, it's 10. And then add this, no? Okay, remember, from here, just adding these ones. Okay, from here, you're just adding these ones. But from the start, it's bringing down, no? 3, bring it down, multiply, 15. Add, you get 4 times 5, it's 20. Write it here. And then add, it's 2 times 5, it's 10. Write it here. And then add, it becomes 4. No? Okay, and then what do you notice? Okay, if I have this synthetic division, as if, no, it's fake, really. Because if we're talking about polynomial, where is the letter x there, no? Where are the variables there? Okay, that's why it's like fake. But this is the shortest way to actually deal with the divisions of polynomials. Okay? Okay, how the Carabao. Okay, so I'll get this one now, 3424 as my quotient here. Okay, paano kaya? Okay, pansinin nyo ito, no? This 3, it's 3 there. And then 4, and then 2, and then last, it's 4, no? Okay, naintindihan. Okay, we call this one, doon sa ating algorithm, no? This one is the px, it's dividend. This is your dx, your divisor, and then this one is your q, that is your quotient, no? Qx. And then this one is actually remainder, no? Rx, ito yan. Okay, actually ang remainder dito, it's 4 lang, no? 4. This is the R, no? Value. But when you write it, it should be with this divisor, 4 over x minus 5, no? Again, this one is your remainder. Okay? This one is coming from your dividend, your PX. Okay. And then this one is coming from that one. Okay? This 342 is your quotient. pero hindi siya buo, no? Okay, it's not a whole number. There's a remainder. That is why 209 na siya. Okay, so if I'm going to be actually writing 3424 there, this one will be to follow na lang. Alam ko kasi hirap na hirap kayo when you have this, right? Okay, how? Okay, because in truth, the long division is hard, no? You have to divide this. 3x cubed divided by x. Hindi siya divided by 5, no? Okay, 3x cubed divided by x. And then I have this. And 3x squared times x. I have this, no? And then 3x squared times negative 5. I have this, no? Okay. And then this one pala, no? I'll subtract this from here. Okay, minus this one. Saan ko ulit ito nakuha? Pag ganun siya, no? So they call your long division. And then, if we subtract this subtrahend, this is subtrahend, and this is the minuend. Ano mangyayari? Change the sign, no? It becomes negative. And then this one is a positive. And then proceed to addition. If that is a negative now, add that, that's 0. Negative 11 plus 15, that becomes 4x squared, no? And then being the negative 18x. And then for x squared, matagal kasi ang long division. Sinasabi ko sa inyo, ha? 4x squared divided by x, it gives you 4x, no? You see this one, no? It's helping you. 4x times x, it's 4x squared. 4x times negative 5, it's negative 20x. Again, this one should be subtracted from here. Change the sign. This becomes a negative. 0 na yan. This becomes a positive. 20 minus 18, it's 2. So it's 2x. Bring down negative 6. See? 2x divided by x. It gives you 2. Okay? Kung nalilito kayo doon sa 2x divided by x, write it down. 2x over x. Okay? So it gives you 2, really. No, 2x, 2 times x, it's 2x. 2 times negative 5, it's negative 10. Again, you subtract this from here. That's minus, no? Change the sign of this one. That's a negative. Add 8. It's 0. Change the sign of the negative 10 is positive 10. So 10 plus negative 6, it's 4, no? That is why your remainder is 4. But you have to have your divisor written together with that remainder down, no? 4 over x minus 5. I'm writing the bracket here, no? Because I cannot actually write directly that it is 4 over x minus 5, huh? But when you write this down, you can actually write plus 4, 4 yung 4. Tapos may x over x minus 5. Okay, yung sagot. Skill builder to, ha? Na sinasagutan ko na. 213. Naintindihan po ba? Okay. So if you do not want, sorry po, 213. Extend lang ako 1 minute na lang. If you do not want this parenthesis class, you can have it in this way, no? Okay. Kasi nahihilo kayo dun sa parenthesis. Okay, tanggalin ko yung parenthesis. Okay. But I'll just multiply this down, negative, negative. Pero ang gagawin nyo na lang yan is simply say, I'll change the signs of this. This becomes a negative, this becomes a positive. Okay, when you add, okay, I'll change the signs of this. Okay, this becomes a negative. When you add, it's 0, no? This becomes a positive. Okay, do not remember, no? Sorry, do not forget, no? Okay, so this one, okay, magiging 2 na lang because you are changing. This one should change the signs of those. Okay, because it's subtraction. Remember subtraction, no? Okay, that's it. Nakuha. Parang hindi. Okay. Anyhow, if you watch your videos, uh, and saka itong process nito, no? Inuulit ko ha, kahit wala na pong bracket ito, no? You can directly say, right, it's plus 4 over x minus 5. Where is the x minus 5 coming from? The divisor po. 4 and then over x minus 5. Okay, sige. Will you continue this? Assignment nyo na lang ay yung next is okay. Next skill builder. Sana ba yun? Okay, nasagutan na si Romel yan. Skill builder, you try this one and you pass it to me, okay? Pinag-mix na kasi